Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Windows security is not working on your computer, then watch this video to find the solution. First thing we need to do, make sure, is to check if the Windows security is on. So we will look for security here, then go to Windows security and then click on the virus and threat protection, and then we will click on manage settings, and then we'll make sure that the real-time protection, the this device protection and the cloud data protection are in the on position. All these buttons should be in the on position. And then we can also go to home and make sure that the firewall and network protection are turned on, turn it on, and that should fix the issue. If that too doesn't work, then we need to reset Windows security. For that, we will right click on the start button, go to settings, and we will go to system, look for system components. Here click on system components, and then on the Windows security bar, right click on these three buttons, go to advanced options, and then click on repair and wait for the check mark, and then click on reset and reset again and wait for the check mark, and Windows security should start working. If finally none of these work, then we need to repair the files, and for that we need to run an SFC scan. Go look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator, and enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Wait for the scan to finish and then restart the computer by clicking on the start button, clicking on the power button, and clicking on restart, and Windows security should start working on your computer. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.